If you've been building with AI agents this year, you've probably hit the wall that every serious user hits. AI agents forget everything. Every new chat is a fresh start. Every workflow you spent time teaching is literally gone the moment you close a session. It's so frustrating, but that's exactly why Hermes Agent has been getting so much attention lately. It actually solves this memory problem. It builds new skills from every task, holds a persistent memory across sessions, and gets genuinely sharper the more you use it. So in this video, I'll break down what Hermes Agent actually is, how the learning loop works under the hood, what you can do with it, and where to actually run it. Because the VPS you host it on matters almost as much as the tool itself. I'm Sen from AI Academy. Let's get into it. Alright, first of all, what is Hermes Agent? Hermes Agent is built by Nous Research, one of the most respected open source AI labs out there. Think of it as a self-improving AI assistant that lives on your own infrastructure. But unlike a normal chatbot, it doesn't start from zero every time you open it. It has a built-in learning loop that turns every interaction into a reusable skill, then stores it in a persistent memory that actually grows over time. It connects to Telegram, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, Signal, even your email. So you can chat with your agents from wherever you already are. Now, if you look under the hood, it also supports over 200 different AI models through OpenRouter, plus direct connections to Anthropic, OpenAI, and pretty much any other AI provider you want. You can also swap models with a single command, run multiple agents in parallel through a sub-agent system. You can also schedule recurring tasks with built-in cron scheduler and automate stuff across all your platforms from one place. But there's a problem this actually solves, because most AI agents, including the ones you probably already know, have a static memory problem. You teach them your workflow on a Monday, you come back the next day, and it looks as if the AI agent has never even met you. Now, a lot of people, because of this memory problem, they try and work around it with giant system prompts and knowledge bases, but you just end up spending more time maintaining context than actually getting work done and wasting tokens. And all of this memory problem is before we even get into reliability, because running an agent locally means when your laptop sleeps, your agent stops, your hardware caps out, the agent slows down, and any restart wipes its working memory. None of that's a big deal for a one-off chat, but when it comes to an AI agent, it's a huge deal when you're trying to build something that actually grows with you. So that's why Hermes is just great, and here's what it does differently. Every time you give it a new task, it doesn't just complete the task and move on. It turns the experience into a skill, and that skill goes into a persistent memory system on your own VPS, not somewhere random on the cloud. So next time you ask for something similar, it pulls a skill and runs it even faster. For example, say you use Hermes to summarize your inbox every morning. On day one, it figures out how you like things summarized, what you care about, what to skip, which senders matter. And then by week 2, it's doing the same task in a fraction of the time. And the summaries will also match your style way more closely because it's been building a mental model of what works to you. Now that is the learning loop. That's what makes Hermes Agent such a gem. Over weeks and months, your agent becomes properly specialized to your specific workflows. And because of that, it's not a generic assistant anymore. It's literally your assistant, trained by you, running on your infrastructure, getting sharper every single day. Now, why is Hermes Agent getting so much attention? If you've been on AI forums, developer newsletters, or open source Twitter lately, you've probably seen people talking about the exact memory problem. It's been a running complaint for over a year now in the AI agent space. But what's changed is that Hermes is one of the first mainstream tools to actually fix it. Plus, it's fully open source, which means anyone can audit the code, contribute to it, or fork it for their own use case. So a few examples of what you can actually build with Hermes Agent. I've seen people use it for daily news briefings that pull from specific sources and land in your Telegram every morning at the same time, automated custom support that understands your brand tone because you trained it. You can also use it for content research that pulls together sources, quotes, and stats for whatever you're writing that day. And the automation side is where this gets really interesting, because Hermes has a built-in cron scheduler, so you can set persistent goals that run on autopilot. Once you set them, they run forever with no prompts, no babysitting at all. It also has a sub-agent system, meaning Hermes can spin up multiple small agents to work on different parts of a problem at the same time. So if you ask it to write an article, it might spin up one sub-agent to research, one to draft, one to edit, and they all run in parallel. So now, with all this information, it sounds great, but where do you actually run and have access to Hermes Agent? First of all, you can run it locally on your own device, but I've already covered why that's rough. If your device turns off, the agent stops, or if the hardware caps out, the workflow will throttle. And if you have any restarts, it will literally wipe your agent's working memory. So a good alternative is a VPS, a small cloud server that runs 24/7 dedicated to your AI agent. I'm running mine on Hostinger because they built a Docker template specifically for Hermes Agent setups. In literally one click, you'll have a production-ready agent environment. So there's no complicated files, no Docker expertise, and no manual configuration needed. Now, there's 4 things that matter about the setup. First, it's genuinely one click. The template handles everything, so there's zero setup, there's zero configuration, and you're live in seconds. The second thing which is great is your API keys, your conversation history, and all of your business context stays in your own server, not in a third party's cloud. Also, third, you have persistent Docker volumes, which basically means your agent's learned skills survive restarts and updates. So your AI agent actually evolves day over day instead of resetting. Then fourth, because it's a dedicated VPS, your agent stays live around the clock. So it's not limited by your machine being on or throttled by shared resources. Now, running a self-improving AI agent with that kind of reliability and privacy, that's the whole point. That's why Hermes Agent is so powerful. But a quick note on who should actually bother using something like this. Hermes is generally useful if you're a developer, solo founder, or someone who's comfortable with a bit of setup in exchange for serious long-term payoff. If you're already running automations, building workflows, or using AI agents regularly, this will change how much leverage you get out of them. But if you just want a regular chatbot to ask questions to this, getting something like this is just overkill. And it's the same if you don't want to touch a terminal at all or think about API costs. So when it comes to the costs, the realistic setup is probably what you pay for the VPS plan, plus your monthly spend on your AI model or API. For light use, you're looking at well under a coffee a day, but for heavier users, it scales up, but you can fully control the pricing. So that's the Hermes Agent, a self-improving AI assistant with persistent memory, multi-platform messaging, and full data privacy when you host it yourself. If you've been frustrated with AI agents that just forget everything, this is genuinely worth your time. So deploy your own in under 15 minutes. Use our link and code down below for an exclusive discount on the Hermes Agent VPS plan from Hostinger. Now, we do get a small referral fee, but it's at no extra cost to you, and it helps us keep creating free videos exactly like this. So thanks a lot. I'm Sen from AI Academy. Like, subscribe, check out this other video to learn more about AI agents.